Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. In today's video, we are cleaning under the sinks. That's right, we are going to be cleaning and organizing the space under my kitchen sink as well as under the sink in one of my bathrooms. So let's get to it. So first I'm going to start by taking everything out of under here. We have our little garbage can and then we have these little containers that I store things in. While I'm emptying this space, I'm also going to be showing you the space under my bathroom sink, which I'm also going to be organizing. So I'm going to be emptying that out as well. And as you can see, I typically have these large basket or containers under the sinks just to kind of store everything. So everything's just thrown in there. There's not really much organization to it. And so in today's video, I'm hoping to organize it and make it a little bit more accessible. So I hope you like this video and let me know in the comments below what you think or if you would consider doing something similar. And now that the spaces are nice and clean, I am ready to organize. And to do that, I don't want to use my storage baskets again. Instead, I got these organizers off of Amazon. I got 2 of them from the same seller, and I think they're about the same price. But as you can see, they're super cute. They have different designs, and they're super easy to put together. You kind of just attach them, and then it comes with 5 screws. You only need 4, and then the 5th one is, I guess, just a spare. All you need is a screwdriver and you are good to go. So I'm going to show you how I put it together in this video, and you'll see how it turns out. I think it's really cute. It's nicer than having the plastic storage bins that I had in there before. So as you can see, it was super easy to put together. This is what they look like. They're different, but I find they're both really cute. They have these, pull-out baskets for easy access to things in there, which I love. And then there's this extra space on top to stack things on there if you need to. So yeah, I'm gonna show you now how I use them in the bathroom and in the kitchen. Hopefully this gives you ideas of how you could do something similar in the space under the sinks in your home. And that's pretty much it. So I will show you how it looks now. First, let me show you what the kitchen looked like before and after. And now I'm going to show you what the space looked like under the sink in my bathroom and what it looks like now. And that's it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video on cleaning and organizing under the sinks in my home. Just to let you know, under the sink in my bathroom, we ended up pulling out the toothpastes because let's just say some people in the house didn't like it under there. We ended up pulling it up back on top on the counter. But so for anyone else out there who maybe didn't enjoy that too much, don't worry. I have changed it because I am adaptable. All right, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed already, I would love it if you would so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Bye.